Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well, and I have two hauls, small ones. First one's from Michaels. This wreath was $3.99 when I got it, and then I couldn't resist this Santa's milk because I made some faux milk last year, and if you go back into my videos you'll see it, but I thought this would be adorable for the cocoa bar. I also got a couple of these candles. I like Michaels candles and Walmart's candles as well as Bath & Body. But Bath & Body can get expensive, where these I got 2 for $9. And this is the candy apple, and it smells like candy apple. And I love the jar. The jar is a red color. Once the candle is burned out, you can just use this. You can put stuff in it or just use the jar. I also got the gingerbread. And this one smells really good too, and that's in that amber color. Again, you could use the jar in fall, or, you know, if you have that color. I mean, you could put a bow on it, but the jars are very, very pretty. I really like them. And 2 for $9 is not bad. These are big candles. So that's my small Michaels haul. Then at the Dollar Tree, they had a couple of these placemats left, and so I picked them up. Not sure what I'll do with them, but I thought they were pretty. I only got 2. They had more, but that's all I got. Then I love their wood from the crafters aisle. I really like these little things, and I love these little carolers. And I picked these up because you can use these like in little snow globes, or, you know, even if you have a village, you could use those. I bought one of these cookies for Santa, and I only bought one because I think it will be cute with faux cookies in your decor. And 'tis the season. I thought this is really pretty because I have some plates kind of like this, but I only bought one, again, and more for my faux food. And then these jars I buy a lot. I really like them because I spray paint the tops of them, and I use them on top of my candle holders a lot of times. This is going to be adorable. I'm working on this right now, a michaelshaul bell. Look how perfect that is. All you have to do is paint in the squares and you've got michaelshaul, so stay tuned for that. This little snow plaque, I thought that was cute. They really do have some cute ones. A lot of them I'll alter, but this one I'm just going to leave the way it is. I thought it was really cute. And I love their bags, and I don't always buy the bags to use the bags. Sometimes I'll cut things out. This one, I'll probably not do anything this year with it, but I have an idea for it next year. And I always like looking at the insides to see what the decor is on this one, but they do have beautiful bags for only $1. And then these hats I love, and this will go perfectly with michaelshaul. Look at what I found. I found some beautiful, beautiful containers, and I will be using these probably for Valentine's. I'm thinking Valentine's. I'm not sure about Christmas. Maybe. I'm not sure, but they are beautiful. Again, from the Dollar Tree. And then they also had some of the shot glasses. I'm going to be using these for a DIY as well. Not for faux food, but another DIY. And then these little parfait cups. These are going to be adorable for faux food as well. I think those will be really, really cute. Now these dice I'm not using as dice. I'm going to do a DIY with these as well. Then look at these little containers, you guys. I have never seen so many containers that are perfect for faux food. And those are little square ones. You can do little desserts in those. I thought those were adorable. And I got another palette for my paint. Why not? I start fresh once my other one gets. Then I was leaving the place where they had the containers, and look, I found another one. It's a different shape. It's a lot taller. Look at the comparison. Do you see? It's hard, I know, with the glare, but the ones in my right hand are squattier, where these were tall. So pretty. Really, really pretty. Then they had the little bowls. You guys, I couldn't get over it. So I pick them up when I see them. because you just don't know if they're going to have them again. Then I found these little chalkboard hearts. I have something I'm going to do with those. I think those are adorable. And my Dollar Tree didn't always have them, so of course I pick them up. I've learned my lesson. You pick them up when you see them. A couple of these emery boards I'm going to use when I do my decoupaging, so I can just kind of take off the edges with them. And this candle I thought was so cute because of my peppermint and gingerbread theme. This year I won't do anything to that because of the gingerbread on it. And then these dice I'm also using for a DIY. Now look, you know I have to have my cups. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Pretty cups for $1. And I'll use this through the holiday. And then if it gets, messed up, I'll just throw it away. Now on to Walmart. And these are just a few things. I picked up these packages, and I'm not going to be using these for Christmas. I'm using them for something else. And then these little ornaments, I might be using them this year. I'm not sure. It might be next year. It just depends. It depends on how much time I have left. And I showed you a few of these on another haul, but I picked up another one. I thought it was really, really pretty. And then these little picks were 98 cents, and I'll be using those in my decor as well. And then I found this tart warmer, and I thought it was so pretty, and it was $10. The Christmas Tree Farm Cut Your Own. I thought that was so cute, and that will go perfect in my family room. This ribbon I also got. So that's it. That's my haul. Guys, thanks for joining me. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.